Hello friends, I'm Dr. Ramanjit Singh. I'm Director Dermcos Skincare Clinic, Gurugram. Today I would like to share a video regarding PRP treatments. PRP is a wonderful treatment which we use for treating your hair. Shedding of hair is prevented by PRP. It helps in newer hair regrowth. Then at the same time for facial skin we use it for giving a tightening look. Fine lines reduction takes place, pores get decreased, lifting of facial skin takes place, all because of PRP. It's an excellent treatment, plasma-rich protein, what it is called, where we draw your blood and then from the blood after centrifuging, platelets are derived. These platelets are your platelets. They are injected at different parts of the face. They are injected in different parts of the scalp, thereby giving you the effective results. So what are we looking for when we are doing a PRP treatment? For face, we use it for facial rejuvenation. We use it for decreasing fine lines and wrinkles. We use it for improving your pore size, pore strength. And when we are treating it for the scalp, we use it for preventing hair loss, hair shedding, and of course newer hair regrowth. So plasma, when we treat with plasma, this plasma contains growth factors. It is this growth factors which when injected into the skin, it helps in collagen regrowth, remodeling, it helps in increasing your elastin fibers and thereby giving you the adequate result. Similarly for scalp, when we treat the patient, normally 5 to 6 sittings are required, which is given at an interval of 1 month each. Even for the face, 5 to 6 sittings. And for facial rejuvenation, we of course can treat it with Dermapen device or we can use it along with microneedling radiofrequency, where we help in penetrating this plasma deeper into your skin and thereby giving even better results. For treating now, what is the treatment like and what is the procedure? Numbing cream is applied to the patient's face and which is left for about 40-45 minutes, and thereafter this plasma is prepared and it's injected. This takes about half an hour's time. 45 minutes is the time period that is required, and this procedure can be repeated every monthly intervals and about 6 sittings are required. After 6 sittings, you are done for almost 1.5 years, whereby again we suggest you to take a treatment after about 6 to 8 months as a maintenance treatment. There's no downtime except for the fact that maybe for a day or so there'll be mild redness or swelling of the face and there may be some amount of irritation into your scalp. Now, what are the indications of PRP? For face, if you are looking for, then it is used for facial treatment of facial scars, facial rejuvenation, removal of fine line wrinkles and open pores reduction. At the same time, if we are looking for treating hair with PRP, then it is definitely indicated in male pattern baldness, where people have a lot of shedding of hair. Post-pregnancy, if hair shedding has increased drastically, then also PRP plus some amount of alopecia also. We treat with PRP to get fresh hair regrowth. It is absolutely safe for treatment. Why? Because it doesn't involve any foreign bodies. We are using your own blood, we are centrifuging your own blood, we are drawing plasma and platelets from your own blood, which can definitely be non-allergic to any type of patient. So it is absolutely safe and not at all time consuming. So friends, if you are losing lot of hair and if you are looking for rejuvenation treatment for your face, then this is the clinic, Dermcos Skincare Clinic. Why choose our clinic? Because this is a dermatologist based clinic where we use utmost importance to your confidentiality. We use best of techniques, we use best of machines, and most important, proper sterilization techniques are involved for giving all these treatments to you. So if you are looking for PRP treatment for your facial or hair care, then do visit us at Dermcos Skincare Clinic, where we customize your treatments according to your needs.